Hey guys, this is part one of me building my new editing and gaming PC. I decided to break it down into parts so it wouldn't be really ridiculous long videos. So what I'll be doing today is I'll be installing my Ryzen 7 1800X CPU. Now, here it is. Now, when you're installing this CPU, there is a little symbol here. Looks like a little pyramid right at the end here. And on this CPU bracket here, there's a little symbol at the corner right here. So you can align your CPU when you install it. What you do, rest it in there like that, and it falls right in. And then latch this CPU holder down and it's in. Now I'll be using a Noctua NH U14S CPU cooler. So I'll have to remove these brackets here. And to let you guys know, when you buy a Ryzen 7, you do not get a CPU cooler. It's just a big box with the CPU in it. There's no CPU cooler in here. So I don't know why the box was so big from AMD. I don't know what they're trying to prove with that. But you do not get a CPU cooler with Ryzen 7. So make sure you have a CPU cooler ready to go. Take that bracket off. And take the other one off here. And I bought this adapter. This is the adapter for the US. There's 3 different Noctuas that use the US, and this bracket is the one that fits them. You have to get this from Noctua. You can get it for free if you have proof of purchase for your CPU cooler. Okay? Now, I'll be using the large bracket. And the way that I'll be doing mine is the smaller one you can go this way, but the larger one have to go this way with the larger ones. Okay? So hit my bracket here, my 2 screws. There we go. Screw it down. Now for the other side. And I like these to be secured because my cooler is a nice size cooler. It's not real small, so I don't want any trouble. And it'll be a little tight. There you go. I tighten it so when I try to tighten it, the screwdriver just spins around on the screw head. So that means it's pretty good. You don't have to force it. I'm going to show you guys. This is how my cooler is going to be sitting. This is the setup I have. As you guys can see, the fan, I have a fan that's going to go here and the other fan's going to go in the back. And I have a pretty good room for all my RAM right here. So it's not going to be blocking my RAM. So, get out my Noctua heat spreading liquid here. You guys can see that. Comes with your CPU cooler. And I'm going to put a little dot right here in the center. Right there. That's good enough for me. You don't have to go crazy on it. There's also spreaders where you can spread it out, but I'll be doing the little dot. It's never failed me, so. Line this up here. With the two screw holes I have. Right. Make sure its screws are lined up when you're doing this part. Okay. And I go back and forth to keep it leveled. Right. I go back over here. Back over here. And it's on. You don't want to go too crazy and over tighten it or something. And your fan has the clips, and you just put the fan clips back on. I'll do the one right here. And there it is. And then you just plug it into your connector, which I have one right here. I have like 5 of these on this motherboard. So you can plug it in right here. And you're good to go. Alright, thank you guys for watching my video. Bye bye.